Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering should I subscribe? Yes, you should. That's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your good comments you've been leaving and everything. Hope I've been getting back to you as best of my knowledge. Today, I'm doing something different in the Power XL. You know, I have videos on how to do ribs. Today, I have some baby ribs right here looking nice and good. So today, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna just chop them up, put them and bake them inside the Power XL. We're gonna do a little barbecue today, a little different type of barbecue. So today, I'm just gonna start slicing them up like this and put them in a bowl and season them up and everything like this and just cut them. Just like this. Just cut them up and everything, make it nice and easy. And we'll be watching these in the Power XL like that. Just cut it like that. Cut these and hope these come out some nice tasting. Have these like that. Just like that. Okay, I cut up my baby ribs and everything, finished doing it. My ingredients today is the baby ribs, the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna use some Montreal seasoned salt, black pepper and salt, and I'm gonna mix it up all in the bowl. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on bake. Put it on bake, and I'm gonna set it for 350 so to get a nice good cook and slow. And then I'm gonna set it for 59 minutes. Set it for 59 minutes, I'm gonna press start. Let it preheat. In the meantime, I'm gonna season this up. I'm gonna put it in the bowl. Okay, so what I'm gonna start doing, I'm gonna just start pouring this on it just like this. Just pour all that on like this. Because when we mix it up, it's gonna get on everything. Put your little seasoning sauce on it like that. Just like that. And I'm gonna put a little black pepper. A little black pepper. Like that. And sprinkle a little salt all over it. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it up like this. Mix it up in here just like that. Let it get all over there. Just like that. Mix it up on it. Like that. And let that sit for a minute till it stop preheating. It say add meat, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise it up and I'm just gonna start putting it in just like this. And I'm gonna just put it in just like that, put all these in there. Because as you see, I got it cut nice and good and it's seasoned good. And everything, we're gonna put these in there and see. This is the first time I'm doing it like this, see how it come out. So do it like that, put this one in, and like that, and just let that bake like that. And I'm gonna put the top down, and I'm gonna press start. And I'm gonna let it bake. Okay, so we're gonna raise it up and take a look at it and everything. It's been 12 minutes and see how it's cooking. And you see I have it on very low heat and everything. It's looking pretty good, cooking nice and slow, just the way I want it to cook slow. When you have it cooking slow, it's gonna be very tender. So you want it tender and everything. You don't wanna fast cook it so it'll be dry and hard. So I'm just flipping it over a little like that. You can see the seasoning on it nice and good sticking on there. So I'm gonna put the top down and let it finish cooking. Okay, we're gonna raise it up, take a look at it. It's looking good and everything. So what I'm gonna do, this is just about done, so I'm gonna put some sauce on it and let it sit a couple more minutes. I'm gonna just skirt it on just like this. You can put it on how you wanna put it on, but Mr. Belle gonna do it like this. And I'm gonna just spread it all over with my little brush. And I'm gonna just spread it on like that. Make sure it get all over there and everything. Just like that. And just spread it, and I'm gonna put the top down because it's ready to come out. Okay, we're gonna raise this up. I think it's time to take it out. So I only use 18 minutes. You can do all this in 18 minutes. I'm gonna press cancel. And we're just gonna start taking these out and everything. They looking nice and good. Just take it out and put them on this plate. Just like that. That's nice. Yeah. I never chopped them up like this before, so this is my first time doing it like this. Put them on there like that. Just like that, they looking nice and good. I want to try one, but I don't want to burn my mouth. Yeah, so that look good. And I'm gonna put that down right there. Okay, these are the barbecue ribs. I cut a piece. I don't want to burn my tongue, but it's coming out real tender. It's seasoned good. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like it, do the recipe.